Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Sam who loved visiting his grandmother. She had a small but cozy home filled with memories, photos on the wall, old books, and a beautiful vase that sat proudly on the table by the window. The vase wasn't just any vase, it was her favorite, a gift from her late husband. She always said, "This vase reminds me that love, tough, fragile, is the most precious things we have." One sunny afternoon, while playing indoors, Sam accidentally knocked the vase over. It fell to the ground and shattered into pieces. His heart sank and he froze. Tears welled up in his eyes. He thought, "Grandma will never forgive me." But when she came in and saw what happened, her reaction surprised him. She didn't shout, she didn't scold. Instead, she knelt down, hugged him and said, "It's okay, Sam. It's just a vase. Are you hurt?" Sam shook his head, but he couldn't stop crying. "I broke it, Grandma. I'm so sorry. I know how much it meant to you." Grandma smiled gently and said, "Let's fix it together." She brought out glue, sat with Sam, and together they began piecing the vase back. As they worked, she told him, "Life is like this vase. Sometimes it breaks, we make mistakes, or things happen that are out of our control. But what truly matters isn't that it broke, it's how we choose to repair it." When they were done, the vase had visible cracks, but it was still beautiful. Grandma looked at it with pride and said, "Now it tells a new story, one of forgiveness, love, and second chances." Years later, Sam became a man and faced many challenges in the life. He made mistakes, lost friends, and stumbled, but every time he remembered the lesson of the broken vase. The vase stayed in Grandma's house until the day she passed away. When Sam inherited it, he placed it on his own table. It became a symbol not of something broken, but of something healed. He always told people, "You are never too broken to be whole again." The cracks in your life are the proof that you have lived, loved, and tried. And that's what makes you beautiful. If you feel broken today, remember, you can choose to heal. Embrace your cracks. They tell a story of strength. Share this story with someone who needs to hear it, and let's inspire each other to keep going. Thank you.